We continued. To receive email, you will need an email account and email address. To send email to other people, you will need to their email address detail too. An email address is therefore the unique identifier for an email account. It is important to understand how to type an email address correctly, because if entered incorrectly, it might not be delivered to the recipient, or it might even go to the wrong person. Email address are also written in standard format that consists of the two parts, a local part or username and domain part, and separate by an @ symbols. By an @ symbol. It means you can see the symbol ing. The local part used by the receiving mail is server to determine where the email must go and what must be done with it after it arrived at its destination, that is text or message. That was scanned that transmitted as a data by telecommunication link. Usually goes to the telephone number that is associated with a printer or other output device. Fax to email or email fax is a system that allows user to send or receive fax using email. This form of communication is used when you see the internet to send faxes. Basically, what happened in that the sender faxes the document using the receiver's fax to email number, who with the receive the fax as attachment is or her email box. SP versus webmail. The first thing to decide when you are looking for an email services provided is whether to use a webmail or to turn to the ISP to take care your email, as both as have their advantages and limitations. It boils down to how much money you are willing to spend and importance of maintaining your email. Basic emailing. Before composing and sending the mail message, you first need to know how to use an email account. In this session, we are using Gmail to show you the basic of using an email account. If you decide to choose another email provider, the interface might be different, but the basically will be still be same. You will learn how to sign up for the email account. Sign up for an email account. Navigate and familiarize yourself with the user interface. Compose, respond, receive, forward emails message. So dear student, I will hope you are creating an email ID. So if you not created your email ID, please go today to create your email ID, because in any organization, mean whether government or non-government, must need email ID. They are asking email ID. So if you had email ID, it is better. If not have any email ID still, please go to the web cyber or your computer class or your computer lab and create your own email ID. Etiquette in the emails. So already you can learn in the etiquette in email in the early session. So what are the etiquette discussed in the early sessions or messages? So messages can be the messages: do not spam people at work. Your friends or family with unwanted email message or chain emails. Spam refer to unwanted or irrelevant message that are sent over the internet or through the email. Concise. Make sure that when writing email they are learned and to the point. Also make sure that they do not contain spelling and grammatical errors. Subject line. Make sure the subject line is clear so that the recipient know what the email is about. Identify yourself. Always say who and what you are the beginning of the email and add a signature with your phone number at the end of the email. Action required. Let the recipient know right away if any action is required from his or her side. You can do this by marking email that do not require any action with FYI in the subject line. Capital letters. So do not type email in capital letters as it gives the recipient the idea that you are shouting. Explanation marks. Avoid using exclamation mark or if really needed. Use the sparkingly. The use of exclamation mark send a message to the recipient that you are demanding. A large attachment. Large attachment comprises large file before sending them. This helps a recipient to save the time instead of waiting for a long time to download that file. You can always zip or compress file as learned in next classes, or in this session will CAB computer in business application. CAB computers application in business. You can also zip or compress file to make the easier to send. Gossips, inflammatory remark and criticism. Avoid gossip about others through email, especially at the workplace. Also do not send insulting, abusive or threatening emails. You cannot withdraw such an email and it can easily be forwarded to uninterested recipients. This could lead to unnecessary dispute and grudges in the workplace and in a personal environment. Focus on what is in the email. Make sure that you read the email properly and address the sender's questions. Proofread the text. Before sending the email, read through it again to make sure that it is saying what you want it to say and that there are no spelling and grammatical mistake. Things can do online includes research your family history, save money, find way to get healthy, buy and listen to music, watch video and news, banking and pay bills, look up information, grocery shopping, book holidays, keep in touch, follow your habits, search for jobs. Benefit. What are the benefit of emails? Email is a quick and inexpensive way of delivering the message and documents over any instance. It also enables information including electronic magazines and newsletters to be shared easily and consistently between any number of people, as well as reduce the need of inconvenience print and distribution. Problem of email. There is some problem of email also there. Lead to information overload and stress due to sheer weight of correspondence to be dealt with. Causes vital information to be lost in the welter of trivial messages. Reduce face-to-face communication in circumstances that demand or would benefit from person contact. Carry a risk of introducing virus. Provoke problems to hastily written and careless message. Okay, dear students, in this session we will learn about email. What are the email, how to create and how to log in. Already we know. Already create your Can you how to log in the email account? Okay, thank you students.